Implementing emerging technologies can require significant investment in research and development, infrastructure, and training. Security and privacy. Emerging technologies often involve the collection and transfer of large amounts of data, which can pose risks to security and privacy if not properly managed and protected. Resistance to change. Some individuals and organizations may be resistant to adopting new technologies, preferring to stick with familiar methods and tools. Ethical considerations. Emerging technologies such as AI and robotics raise ethical concerns around issues such as data privacy, bias, and job displacement. Regulation and governance. Many emerging technologies are not yet regulated or governed by established standards, which can create uncertainty and risk. Technical challenges. Emerging technologies may require specialized expertise and infrastructure to implement and maintain, which can pose technical challenges for some organizations. Compatibility with existing systems. Some emerging technologies may not be compatible with existing systems and processes, requiring significant changes and updates.